Welcome all to another session of Concept at Fingertips. This is Vidya, Physics faculty from Acharya Coaching. Today let us see the topic electric power. So what is power? Power is the rate of doing work. Power is the rate of doing work. Or we can write power equal to work done by time. Or we can also define electric power to be the rate of consumption of electrical energy. Rate of consumption of energy. So we can say W is equal to, which is work, which is equal to energy, which is equal to I squared RT. So this equation E is equal to I squared RT is known as Joule's law of heating. So it gives the amount of heat produced in a conductor when I current is flowing for T time. So that is the energy consumed by the component. So we can say power, from this we can say power is equal to work divided by time, which is also equal to I squared RT divided by T. And we get P is equal to I squared R. So this quantity, we call it as electric power. So what are the other equations we can use for finding power? Electric power equations. First one is P is equal to I squared R. Now if we rearrange this I as IR into I, we'll get another formula, that is V into I. So power is also equal to voltage into current, V into I. So to this equation, P is equal to V into I, if you apply Ohm's law, let's say I is equal to V by R, right? So in that way, we can write V into V by R, which is equal to V squared by R. So that is another formula for electric power. So we have three formulas. P is equal to I squared R, VI or V squared by R. The SI unit of power is watt, represented by capital W. And we can define 1 watt as 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. So this is by substituting in the equation P is equal to V into I. So how we can define 1 watt? 1 watt is equal to 1 watt can be said as the power consumed by a device that carries 1 ampere current, 1 ampere current when it is operated when operated at a potential difference of 1 volt. So what is 1 watt? 1 watt is the power consumed by a device that carries 1 ampere current when operated at a potential difference of 1 volt. Since watt is a very large unit, very small unit, watt is a small unit, so we use kilowatt for daily use. So the actual unit or the unit that we use mostly frequently is kilowatt. What is kilowatt? 1 kilowatt is given as 1000 watt. We know that energy is equal to power into time. So the energy unit can also be written as watt into hour. That means power consumed in watt for 1 hour. So how will we define 1 watt hour? 1 watt hour is defined as energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. So that means if a device use 1 watt of power and it have been using that much for 1 hour, we'll get the unit 1 watt hour. The commercial unit of electricity is kilowatt hour. Commercial unit. We use kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt hour is also known as 1 unit. 1 unit. So if you convert this unit kilowatt hour into joules, that is, we are converting it in the form of joules, then we'll get 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt multiplied by 1 hour can be written as 3600 seconds. We'll get 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 watt second, which is nothing but joules. This watt second is joules. So 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. So to summarize, we learned that the SI unit of power is watt. And since watt is a very small unit, for our daily use, we don't use watt, but we use kilowatt. And for commercial purposes, we use another unit called kilowatt hour. So watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. And this is the conversion of 1 kilowatt hour to joules, 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. This is also known as 1 unit of electricity. I hope the topic is clear to you. We'll meet you in another session with a new topic. Thank you.